Hi everyone, time for Drop in Craft, and today, since it's a little windy out, and it's going to be windy for a little bit until this warm weather comes, we are making a kite out of a paper bag. And what you need for this is a paper bag. You could white, brown, whatever bag you have, some string, some tape, some glue, a popsicle stick, but if you don't have a popsicle stick, you can use a pencil or a chopstick or something like that. Did I say scissor? A scissor and some streamers. And what I did was I cut the bottom of my bag just to make it a little more festive, I guess. And I'm going to use my dots, but you can use crayons, you can use markers, you can use stickers, you can use anything you have in the house. And what I do is I am going to decorate my paper bag, which is going to become a kite very shortly. Just going to do all kinds of colors because I want to be able to see it in the sky when it's up there. So I just do both sides. I'm going to do both sides when this dries, but as always, I have it already made for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my kite, and I'm going to glue my streamers on the inside. And I'm going to do it just like this. You can use as many, you can use ribbon, you can use streamers, you can use wool, you can use whatever you have in the house. I'm going to glue it here. It's a little clumsy sometimes because of the things you got to do for this one. And I'm going to put it on both sides of my kite. This. And now, how are we going to get the string in there? So I'm going to open up my bag, and I'm going to take a scissor, and I'm going to put a little hole on the top. Not too big, enough to get the string through it, like that. Just like that, even smaller. And then I'm going to teach you a little trick on an easy way to get string through a hole, because sometimes it's going to unravel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little piece of Scotch tape and I'm going to wrap it around the end of my string so it's a little more stable, like that. And then I'm going to take that end and I'm going to stick it through the hole like that. And I'm going to tie 2 knots. So my knot is a little bigger than the hole that I put on the top of the bag. And to make sure that it stays in place, see, it's going to come through the bottom of the bag. So to make sure that it stays in place, I am going to take a piece of tape and I'm going to tape it down like that. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my popsicle stick and I'm going to tape the ends of the string to my popsicle stick like that. And then I'm just going to wind the string around my stick. I'm going to go outside and I'm going to let my kite go in the wind. See you later. See you next week. Bye.